Okay, students, here the iris recognition method. Now, okay, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Class. Can you see the screen? Yeah. So, iris biometric system. 1 minute, student, I will come. Uh, Students, can you see the screen? Okay. This is iris biometric camera for private ID. The specialized camera we can use. So these are all the introduction we already discussed about the different stages. The pattern of the iris are clearly mentioned here. This iris capturing window from the software. Then what are the different patterns which are present inside the iris? Then what are the different modules? 7 different modules of iris recognition algorithm. So what are the different algorithm we have? Eye image acquisition, challenge response test, iris segmentation, iris normalization, iris enrichment, iris feature encoding, iris discriminator design. These are all the 7 different iris recognition algorithm. Then you have eye image acquisition, the first one, first stage. This is the first step of the algorithm. In this acquisition, an important and complex steps here, especially for the Indian, Omanis, Gulf region people, the iris is small in size, dark in color. Small in size and dark in color. It is difficult to acquire clear images. Difficult to acquire clear images using standard CCD camera, the normal charge coupled device camera. We cannot use for iris image capturing. Take the photo of the image with the ordinary lighting condition. In this module, the biometric camera is used. So probably you can use any kind of biometric recognition camera to capture the image. It acquires images by passing near infrared rays. What rays they are using? Near infrared rays. That is called the near infrared wave. The acquisition distance, how much distance between the camera and eye image? The camera and eye image 19 to 36 inches, and average capturing time is 1.5 seconds. Average capturing time. Due to the distance or illumination changes, changes of the illuminations. Reaganation process may produce different reaganation rates. Perhaps the genuine means the same person, those who are giving the eye image, features may slightly vary at sunlight and twin light. Sunlight outside, twin light the inside the office. However, the system confines the Euclidean distance of the same candidate features to the iris discriminator face. This is eye image accusation. Next, you have challenge response test. Before, what is the important question for final exam? Draw a block diagram of iris recognition process and explain each steps. First step, eye image accusation. Challenge response test. In the challenge response test, we need to confirm whether the person is genuine or no. Genuine, yes, iris segmentation, eyelashes removal and normalization. So these process will be carried out. After that, iris image enrichment, iris feature extraction and iris discrimination phase. This also available. Is genuine, accept. No, reject. Genuine, accept. No, reject. Okay. So these things are more important. Just a minute, I close my phone. All students are disturbing now. So finally, you have reject or accept. So this is the block diagram. In the final exam, you need to draw the block diagram and explain. The another steps of eye images. Eye image accusation, segmentation and normalization, feature extraction and matching algorithm. This is simple steps. So what we are need to do in each steps. But in the exam, you need to draw this diagram and explain each steps. So what in the iris segmentation we are doing? This is whole eye image. We need to take only this portion and inside the portion. Two portions we need to take. After segment, we need to convert to normalization. Then after normalization, we need to convert it to binary signature. All the value of picture is converted to 0 and 1s. After binary signature, feature comparison. This feature comparison is stored in the stored template. And finally, you need to take a decision. These are all the stages. In the final exam, you need to draw 1, 2, and 3. What is the research on image accusation? Has been made on non-invasive imaging with just few meters of distance of separation. The image accusation phase should consider three main aspects, namely lighting system, lighting. Because when capturing the particular eye image, we need light. And positioning system, what position the people are giving eye image. Positioning system, which position? For example, this setup is available in the airport, international airport, how the humans are giving eye image. Okay. So for the recognition purpose, after the people are giving okay, then gate will be open, they allow for travel. So these setups are available. You see this lady is very close to eye image. Position is different. This lady is away. But anyhow, we already given in the chapter accusation distance normally between 15 to 36 inches of distance needed. That's what we need to do some research. Usually in the enrollment phase, iris images are captured without any eyewear. Eyewear means spectacles, that helps to encode the iris feature accurately. However, the use of spectacles and contact lens by the user during the verification doesn't affect the recognition process. Iris recognition system can work both in indoor and outdoor conditions without any hotspot of lighting intensity. However, unlike face and palm fingerprint acquisition, iris image are internal organ. It is inside our eyelashes, which are present inside and closed area of eyelid. Eyelashes and eyelid. It is closed area of eyelids. For this reason, user must provide full cooperation for acquiring the eyelid means the skin outside the eye. Eyelash is the hair on the eye. So the closed area of eyelids. Full cooperation of acquiring the eye images. This is the example how eye image going to be acquired, taken, capturing. Then what do you mean by the challenge response test? This will be in the next class, not today. Okay, students? Okay. Okay.